Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. Google Gemini comes with a huge number of features, tools, and settings, which can make it feel overwhelming at first. Instead of covering everything, let's focus on the key features you need to start using Gemini effectively. The easiest way to access Gemini is through the web. Simply visit Gemini's website and sign in with your Google account. If you're already logged into services like Gmail, Google Drive, or Google Calendar, you're ready to go. At the center of the screen, you'll find the prompt box. This is where you can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, or have conversations with Gemini. Whether you're looking for a cooking device, travel planning, or productivity help, you can simply type your request and get an instant response. Before sending a prompt, you'll notice a few model options. Gemini currently offers different models designed for various levels of performance. For most users, the standard model provides the best balance between speed, intelligence, and efficiency. There's also a thinking mode that can be switched between standard and extended. Standard works well for everyday tasks, while extended is useful for more complex problems that require deeper reasoning. As you continue using Gemini, your conversations are saved in the recent chat section. However, if you want better organization, Gemini offers a feature called Notebooks. Notebooks allow you to group related conversations together. For example, if you're frequently asking questions about cooking, you can create a cooking notebook and save all cooking related chats inside it. Later, whenever you have another cooking question, you can open that notebook and continue building on previous conversations without searching through old chats. Notebooks become even more powerful when you add sources. You can connect websites, documents, Google Drive files, and other resources directly to a notebook. Once attached, Gemini can use those sources when generating answers. This transforms a notebook into a personalized workspace that grows over time with your knowledge and research. Another major feature is personal intelligence. You can find it in the settings menu. Personal intelligence allows Gemini to learn from your previous interactions. With memory enabled, Gemini remembers relevant information from past conversations, making future chats more personalized and useful. You can also connect Gemini to other Google services, including Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Drive, Google Docs, Keep, YouTube, and Google Photos. These integrations help Gemini provide more tailored recommendations and assistance. For example, if you ask Gemini to plan a road trip, it can consider information it already knows about your preferences, such as where you live, activities you enjoy, and even type the food you prefer. This results in more personalized travel plans and recommendations. One of Gemini's strengths is how it presents information visually. Instead of only providing text, Gemini may include maps, images, location details, and organized layouts automatically when it believes those formats will help answer your quests more effectively. Beyond chat, Gemini also includes several creative tools. One popular feature is image generation. Simply describe the image you want, and Gemini can create it for you within seconds. Gemini also supports video generation, allowing you to generate short videos from text descriptions. Just provide a prompt, and Gemini will create a video based on your idea. Another powerful tool is Canvas. Canvas opens a collaborative workspace beside your conversation. Instead of displaying content directly in the chat window, Gemini creates editable documents that you can modify together. This is especially useful for writing stories, building websites, developing apps, creating presentations, or working on long form projects. You can edit the content yourself or highlight specific sections and ask Gemini to revise them. This makes Canvas feel more like working with a creative partner than simply chatting with an AI assistant. One thing to keep in mind is Gemini's usage limits. More advanced tasks, such as creating applications, generating videos, or handling complex projects, consume more resources and count toward your available usage. You can monitor your usage limits in the settings menu. Gemini typically tracks both short term and weekly usage. If you reach a limit, you'll still be able to use Gemini, but some advanced capabilities may be restricted until your allowance resets. Overall, these are the core features that will help you get the most out of Gemini right away. Chatting with AI, organizing conversations with notebooks, building knowledge bases through sources, using personal intelligence for personalized assistance, creating images and videos, collaborating in Canvas, and understanding your usage limits. Once you're comfortable with these fundamentals, you can start exploring Gemini's more advanced capabilities and unlock even more powerful ways to work, learn, and create. And that's it. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It will definitely help us. Thank you for watching. Introducing Cinemation from Technic Force. Create full movies with the same characters from start to finish, not random AI clips. Produce 30-minute cinematic videos, episodes, and story driven content with consistent characters, locations, and scenes all powered by AI. If you can type, you can create a movie. Turn your computer into a cinematic product studio, create episodic series with the same characters that keep people coming back. Build series, shows, and story driven content. Turn your videos into traffic, followers, and real income. Create full length videos up to 30 plus minutes. Amazing. Characters stay consistent across scenes and videos and works in any niche YouTube, ads, social, education, you name it. You can create videos like space, mysteries and discoveries, marketing and advertising, fitness and health, multi niche content, you can create viral AI shorts for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And your characters stay true throughout your videos. Your scenes and locations stay consistent. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get Cinemation now. Just go to getcinemation.in.